How to fix iPhone 1 download apps. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the Settings application on your device. Tap on your name banner and then on Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password and tap on Turn Off. After signing out, wait for some time and sign in again. Now tap on Screen Time and then on Content and Privacy Restrictions. You will see the option for Allowed Apps. Tap on that and make sure all the applications toggle button are toggled on. Tap on Content and Restrictions now and then on Apps. Make sure it is selected to allow all. Now go back to Settings and tap on App Store. Make sure the toggle button for app download is toggled on too. If it is still not fixed, you can also try enabling your airplane mode and restarting your device. To restart, press the volume up button and the power button together until you see the slide to power off option. Slide to power off and wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before restarting your device. Restarting the device fixes majority of issues on your iPhone. Now disable the airplane mode after restarting your device and your problem should have been fixed. Thank you for staying with us until the end.